Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Normal distribution problems look intimidating, but you can solve them quickly by identifying the key parameters and testing each option against the standard empirical rule today. We are given a normal distribution with a mean of 65,500 and a standard deviation of 3,100. Let us use these to test the options now. Option E claims 84% are above 57,400. That value is roughly 2 standard deviations below the mean. Since 68% are within 1 sigma, it works. Other options fail because they misapply the empirical rule or assume bounds that do not exist in a normal distribution. Option E is the only statistically sound conclusion here. Boom. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the trap of misreading z-scores by always applying the 68, 95, 99.7 rule to data.